Mabilis kasi yung machine, so madaling matapos yung mga labahan namin.
Eh kasi sa A-KON Laundry, yung mga staff doon are very friendly, efficient, and very fast.
Mababait ang mga staff at mabibilis.
Maganda rin ito, malinis at saka okay yung mga equipment.
Manami kahit tungod nga madasig lang, tapos makuha mo na yun. Wala, malinis pa.
May anda nga pinakamadasig nga makina iya sa Boracay, nga dryer.
Siyempre, kay kadasig sa ila nga machinery, unlike other machine nga gahulat ako sa almost 1 hour and a half. Diri 1 hour makuha mo na yung mga labahan.
I like doing my laundry here because I have the flexibility if I want to do it myself or if I'm in a rush or if I'm busy. They also have a full service option. I also like the fact that they do it by load and not by weight, so if I have a lot of laundry, it sort of works out better for me.
Gustuhan ko sir kasi mas mabilis po siya pag nagmamadali ka para kung maraming guests, pwede mong kunin ka agad yung pinalaundry.
Kasi mabilis yung machines nila, at saka friendly yung mga staff. Saka mabango din yung yung laundry.
Tapos meron din siyang parking space.
Ganda environment, saka very affordable.
Organized, may electric fan, siyempre, libre sabon.
Servisyo at malimpyo, randa nga laundry.
The best part is it's airy and I don't feel cooped up. Thank you.
Saka yung lugar, makakagalaw talaga ng Saka may parking space sila. Pwede ka mag-park kahit anong oras, pwede. Libre sabon.
Yes, of course. Yes, absolutely.
Yes, absolutely.
Oh, get
Absolutely.
Absolutely correct.
Yes, absolutely.
Absolutely guys, A-KON Laundry tayo.
Yes, syempre.
Actually, gina-recommend ko ni siya sa among client.
I like working here at A-KON Laundry because I met new friends.
Trabaho dito kasi eco-friendly kami.
Napamahal na rin ako at masaya ako dito.
So, meron din kaming loyalty card. May free wash kayo, free dry, free fold.
High quality machines and
We have free Wi-Fi while you're waiting. So come visit A-KON Laundry.